For this tool sharing activity, the tool that I chose to use was Google Drive. And I use Google Drive to work collaboratively with my classmates and peers and anybody else that I may not be in close contact with, that I have a project or something to work on with. And within the Google Drive, you have the various applications that you can use with Google, from Google Docs to Google Sheets to various other applications. And as you can see, I actually have a lot of shared documents for various things, from classes to organizations. And I use Google Drive because, as you can see, others can also edit the same material and see the real-time updates versus having to wait and send things back and forth through email. It can be done in real time, and it can be seen by everyone and discussed during that time. An example of this would be, in some of my other classes, we've created entire presentations out of a Google Drive, and you can see the complete framework of our work, from when we just focused on actual topic ideas to actually coming together from that brainstorm to creating an entire presentation that was given to a class later on. This was also used to create journals for the class, and it was used for us to work collaboratively on an exam, which our professor also has access to, so he can also see our answers and solutions for the exam questions. And it actually saves time, and it saves resources such as paper that would typically be given out for a test. And I really enjoy the Google Drive because not only can you share documents, but you can share videos and polls and spreadsheets and a lot of the things that you can get within the Microsoft Office suite. And it's all brought to you sort of like a one-stop shop, and it can all be shared by everyone else. And these are the reasons that for this tool sharing activity, I chose to focus on the Google Drive.